I'm Shane from Valley, and today we're going to do a basic repair on a kitchen door. In this scenario, it's an higher up cupboard. All cupboards are exactly the same. These hinges, in this case it's come loose. Two options, that one's loose and this one's actually come off the actual bracket. So firstly, let's re-tighten up the actual main part of the hinge. These hinges do slightly adjust up and down, so don't completely tighten it fully tight because you might need to adjust it slightly. Right, so get it in line, drop it in place, hook it back on, screw it up. Again, this adjusts, so generally just tighten it halfway, don't complicate it. You're just trying to get a clearance between the actual door itself and the actual case. Tighten up these two screws. Now let's see if the door closes. The door actually does close, but to line it up correctly, there is an adjusting screw here. By adjusting this screw, the door will go in and out. Screwing it inwards means you can see the doors are actually not level. Just keep adjusting it until you find where it sits right. Job done.